Hi guys, welcome back to the course. From this video, we will start creating the user interface of our project. For that, we will use Bootstrap. To download Bootstrap, go to this link and scroll down and you will see this download Bootstrap button. Click this and your download will be started. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After download, extract that folder inside the downloads, and now we will copy some files from Bootstrap. First of all, we will need this bootstrap.css file under the CSS folder in the Bootstrap directory. Copy this and paste this file inside the CSS folder of the project. After that, we will get the bootstrap.js file from the JS folder in the Bootstrap. Copy it and paste it in the JS folder of the project. So we are good to go. Now for our front end, we will use one of the starter templates provided by Bootstrap. So we will go back to getbootstrap.com and click this getting started link. We will scroll down until we see this. This is the template we will use for our front end. We will modify it. So click it. Press Ctrl U. You can see that all the source code can now be copied here. So select all and copy this source code. Go to the index.php page and paste all the source code there. So you want to remove some things from here. For example, from the bottom of the page you have to remove these two lines, and we also have to remove this one. Now we also need to change the path for this bootstrap.js, and we will remove this min because we are not using the minified version. We are using bootstrap.js, which is inside the JS folder in our project, and this is perfectly fine. Actually, it is linking to the jQuery from Google CDN. We will go up and we will remove from line number 15 to line number 18. We don't need that, so we will have to change the path because our bootstrap.css is now in CSS directory, and we also have to change this bootstrap min.css to bootstrap.css. So after that, we will remove all of these lines, save it, and now we will go to the browser and check out how it looks. Localhost. We have some problem here. As you can see that some of the text is hidden behind this menu bar, so we will fix this. I think we have missed some code from get bootstrap. Yes, we actually didn't copy the code from this starter template.css file, so we will click it and copy all the code. Go inside your project, create a style.css file inside CSS folder and paste that code in that file, and now you have to link the style.css to this page. This is style.css, and I think now it should be fine. Let's see if it is fine. Yes, now it is fine, but we don't need all these three links. We need login and register link, so we will fix that next. So first of all, we will change the title of the page. That will be login, and we will remove this first one and change the link index.php and call it login. This will be register, and the link will be register.php, and currently the active will be the index page. So we will add active class to this link. So we want to remove this div from the container, and now we need a form. So first of all, let's go and have a look at what we have right now. Perfectly fine. We have two of these pages. So now we want a form over here, a login form. So we'll go to Bootstrap, get bootstrap.com, and in the header we will click this CSS link, and here it is, forms, and we will copy this sample form from this website and paste it within the container, and we will remove this. We will keep the checkbox. We will remove the file input because we don't need it. Now we will give a name attribute so that these values can be accessed from the PHP code. So name will be email, and name of this password field will be password. And I think we should remove this ID because we just don't need this. Remove the ID, save it, and now we also want to change the name of this checkbox. member_me, and we will change the name of this submit button as well. The name will be equals to login, and text will also be equal to login. So now let's have a look at the login form now. I hope it is good. Yes, we have this checkbox control as well, and we will change the text with the checkbox. We will use this remember me. Now refresh this page. Now you can see the text has changed. As you can see, there is no space between this form and the header, so we will do this by setting some margin of the form. First of all, we will set the method of the form, which will be post, and style will be margin top. I think 35 pixel would be enough. Let's save it and refresh it. Now it's better. So I think we are done with the index.php. So we will create the register page. We will copy all the code from this login page and paste it inside the registration page. We need some additional fields, and we also need to remove some fields because we also need a field for name that would be of type text, and its name will be name, placeholder will be name, for would be, remove this for one, and I think we are good to go. Now we need to remove this checkbox because we don't need this anymore. Remove it, and we need to remove this, change this login to register, and this text as well. We also want to have a confirmed password field, so we will copy this password field and paste it below. We will remove this for attribute. Now we will say confirm password, and the placeholder will also be confirm password. The name will be confirm underscore password, confirm underscore password, and type would be password. I think it is now good to go. Let's go and see that. So go to the register.php. Now you can see that we have all the 4 fields: name, email, password, and confirm password. I think we are done with this register.php page. Now we have to change some things. We have to change this to register, and we will remove this active class from login and to put that class with register. Oops. Go to Firefox and refresh it. Now it's working gracefully. So now I think we are done with this video, and in the next video we will work on this my account and forgot password pages. So stay tuned.